How to choose a template in Squarespace. In order to do that, just head over to squarespace.com and click on this Get Started. Once you're done with that, next thing you need to do is you can just head over and then input right here the type of website that you want to create. So in here, you can choose in here a site topic. For example, let's choose in here music. Now click on next, and then you can choose in here your goals. I'll choose to sell services and click on this next. And you can browse templates. Just click on this right here. And then in here, you can see some templates that matches the type of website that you can create. So I actually chose music. So we have in there is Revel as well as Synchro. So you can also build with AI if you want. And we also have in here some entertainment templates. So by choosing here a template, it's actually tailor-made depending on what kind of site that you have chosen earlier. For this one, I'll just choose in here this panda. Once you have click on it, you can see the option or the preview. Now just choosing here the sample color presets that you want to use. And click on the start for this design in order to use this. So that's how you choose a template in Squarespace. Hope you helped.